Do you have any information on the impact of your piles on the environment, and is it something that's important to your company?
The short answer is yes. And if you'd like to learn more about our ISO 14001 certificate, I invite you to visit our website in the About section. To answer your question in a little more detail, every ton of concrete that is produced releases approximately 1 ton of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. You can imagine by looking at the buildings in your city the amount of pollution created by all that concrete. Nearly 8% of the world's CO2 emissions are produced by the production of concrete. Some of the major advantages of helical piles are that they are reusable and 100% recyclable. For example, a customer has helical piles installed for 1 or more solar panels at his cottage. A few years later, if plans change, the piles can easily be removed and reused with very little to zero impact to the surrounding property or environment. The same project using concrete, however, would either have to be excavated and removed to be disposed of, or the concrete would have to be left in the soil. A helical pile leaves almost zero environmental footprint, which is not only a great advantage and environmentally responsible, but also something we can all appreciate.